It's project day at Jeff's garage. So our little project here is to get this bike, which has its brand new Predator engine in it, up on my cargo rack. Here's the problem. This bike is heavier than I thought it was going to be. It's pretty much just dead weight. Normally we just lift it up here manually, but I've got the bright idea getting it up on a ramp. So I'm building a prototype with just some old wood in the yard and just parts laying around, and I'm gonna see if I can push it up manually or if I've got to turn the engine on and throttle it up on there without wrecking anything or anything tipping over or anything like that. So I'm just slapping something together here today and we'll see if it works. So I've already got my ends cut. I want this to sit flush, not up here, so I can reduce the angle. So I'm going to take some old plywood and just plank this up and then find a way to hook it over the end.
Woke up one morning and decided that I wanted to go outside and ride.
So now I got this slapped together. I went with 11 inches. I got to figure out a way to hook this over the lip. I got one idea, a couple ideas. Here's my idea. I got some of these laying around. Just mount this right here and then pound these down to the right angle and it'll act like just a little hook, a little grapple hook. Well, it holds my weight, but it's a little iffy. But I think I probably weigh less than this bike. But different weight distribution. It occurs to me that I might need to put something here so this thing doesn't tweak as I'm loading it. Let's get a sham of a wood support that I keep with me. Will it work? And then, if it does, I gotta be able to take this with me. So, there's that. Alright, test one. I'm going to see how far I can push it up by hand. Well, how about that? Let's see if we can get it down. Well, for some reason I thought that the bike was going to be too heavy for me to push up that steep of an incline, but it really wasn't difficult at all. It seemed like taking it down backwards was a little bit more complicated, but it works. And aside from a few things to tweak around here and there, I got to figure out how to take it with me. I have an idea for that. Forgot about that. Let's get on with that. But at least phase one is done. The prototype's done, done-ish, and it works. So on to phase two. How to take the ramp with me. So do I just bungee it in place, or do I use these holes and like bolt it in place? Just drill some big holes in here. I'm gonna go watch some golf and think about it, but even if I just bungeed it, I think it would be okay. It's actually got a kind of a nice look about it. Looks legit. It looks safer that way than before. It looks like it's in there better. So it's go take a rest and catch up on the golf score. Decide what to do next. So it looks like I'm going to be able to just bolt it right on. We've got unloading and an unloading system prototype complete. Now it's just a matter of taking it out and testing it out. Plus I gotta get some braking in time on the new Predator engine. Different video. And there it is, stored. Stores like a charm.